Wanted to do a video on trend-based Fibonacci extensions. I see a lot of people out there been asking about them and how they work. Okay, first off, we're going to go, this is what they are. They're told that traders can use to establish profit targets or estimate how far a price may move. Extension levels are also possible areas where the price is expected to reverse. Extensions are drawn on a chart marking the price levels of possible importance. These levels are based on Fibonacci ratios. To draw trend-based extensions, 3 points are needed. Once the 3 points are set, the level lines are drawn up the Fibonacci sequence. The first point chosen is the start of the move. The second point is the end of a move. And the third point is the end of the retracement against that move. The extensions then help project where the price could go next. Okay, I'm going to use Bitcoin for this example. Okay, first we had our first move right here. Okay, this get my pointer here. We had this first move up, then we had a retracement right here. Okay, so if we get this trend-based Fibonacci extension tool, which on TradingView is on your left-hand side here, you go over here, it has your regular Fib retracement, trend-based, your pitchfork. You want to hit trend-based Fib. Start down here at your low, okay, at the beginning of the move. Go to your high of that first move, and then bring it down to the retracement of that move. Okay, we're going to see how this played out. I rewound TradingView to show you here, so I'm going to hit play. Okay, and we're using Elliott waves. Is what you basically want to use for this thing. That's what I use it for. Okay, and we're going to see where this comes to. We have a 1, 2, 3, a fourth wave. This is on the hourly. Okay, you can see where this is going here. Okay, then we have our drop back in price. Okay, so we're going to get out of that. Okay, and I'm going to get right back here and show you what ended up happening there. Okay, almost a perfect extension up here. If we take the Elliott waves, we had a 1, 2, 3, a 4, and a 5. Okay, so you almost had a full extension right there. Okay, these things are very useful, and they work a lot of the time. Okay, and then after that move was over, you can see that price ended up falling off here. You know, it went to that high. Then from that high, it retraced back down. Okay, the next move we're going to go to in Bitcoin is back here. It was a little bit bigger of a move. Okay, but if we take the trend-based Fibonacci, if we get these 5 waves off here first, okay, you're going to hit your trend-based tool. You're going to go from your low to your high of that first wave, back down to your low. Okay, and you can see 5 waves right in there. Okay, I'll point these right out to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And then if you would have kept in that trade, you would have got that full extension. This one did not roll over afterwards. Okay, it went on to actually set higher highs. Okay, if we go back through here again, I think I have another Bitcoin one. Yeah, here we go. There's one right down here. Enlarge this. This tool is very valuable. Every trader out there uses Fibonacci's. Okay, just a regular Fibonacci extension or this trend-based. Okay, you can clearly see your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if we take that off there, you had your first move and then your retracement. Not much of a retracement there, that's for sure. But if you put your trend-based fib on your low to your high, back to your low right there, okay, and then click it again so it stays in place. You can see this came right up between the 3.618 and the 4.236, and then the price ended up rolling over. Okay, a lot of times, a lot of traders out there, especially with these 5-wave Elliott waves, afterwards there's usually an ABC correction, or they know, that this is what happens, but they'll take a short up here, and that's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm going to click on Cartesi here because I had a few examples in there to show you real quick too. It's nice to see, when the thing definitely works out here. Okay, this is a bigger move. We're going to put this on the 4-hour. Okay, you can see this was quite a big move in here. Okay, we're going to get these lines out of the way, and we're going to take the fib extension, go from our low. I don't know if we're going to use that wick. You can see that was a perfect extension on this thing. Okay, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, and now the price is rolling over on it. Okay, this is current on Cartesi, and we had one more example right here that I want to show you. Okay, if we get these 5 waves out of the way here, you take your extension, go from your low of your move to your high of your first wave, back down to the bottom, and click it, and it'll stay in place. Okay, this one here, you ended up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one here ended up coming up between the 2.618 and the 3.618. Okay, so these levels are basically, they're take profit levels. All right, if you start at your 2.618, you know, sometimes you get a full extension out of this thing, like right here, this did a full 4.236. But if you ladder out of a trade, you know, in these places, you know, 30%, 30%, 30%, or whatever you do, you know, if you're trading out there, this can be definitely a helpful tool. So, all right, guys, hope you liked it. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.